Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account on TNFX. You click on this option, and in this section you upload a photo of the front and back of your ID card. And in the lower section, you need to upload a document to prove your address, which must be dated no more than 6 months ago. You click on Choose File and upload the required document, which should be a bill or a bank statement, and if your degree. And in this section, you upload the copy of your document, and after entering the documents, you click on Upload Document, and your documents will be successfully sent and reviewed. And you click on this option to check the status of your verification. And as you can see, our documents are currently under review. And friends, as you can see at the top of the website, after 1 hour, our account has been fully verified. Good luck!